Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 23rd and it's a Monday, meaning we're starting a brand new week of cooking with Krystal, Krystal's Kitchen, whatever you want to call it, where I share the meals that I cook for my family of 5, about 5 nights out of the week. Sometimes it's only a few, but I try to go for 5. Anyways, tonight we are going to be having some chicken toaster sandwiches. I was on the phone with my husband earlier and I really needed to go ahead and get the cutlets, the chicken breast cut into cutlets. So I went ahead and did that. So this is already done. I've probably got about 8 little cutlets in here, but it's gonna be like a pan-seared chicken on toast. It's gonna be delicious. I think I even have some bacon and I might add some bacon on there. Ooh, too bad I don't have any lettuce. Anyways, we're also gonna have some french fries with it, and yeah, that's dinner tonight. So let me stop rambling, let's get to cooking. Like I said, I've already got these guys cut up, so I'm just gonna go in with some salt, just a little bit, because I'm going to be using my favorite steak seasoning, and it has a lot of salt and pepper in it, honestly. Let me just try and get a good little coat of seasoning on all of the little chicken breasts or cutlets, garlic powder and onion powder, and then just go in and give it a little mix. Try and get the seasoning rubbed on all of the chicken pieces. Should look something like this.
Get videos and play games in between. Should be done.
Has decided to help me cook. She doesn't want her face in there because she said she looks crazy, but she has decided to make some mac and cheese and she wants corn too. So I told y'all, my girls love corn right now.
Meh. I cannot believe we're in there without bird sound. There, I can't do that.
Okay, here's the first little batch. This is 5. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 good sized ones and 2 smaller pieces. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. I threw some bacon in. These sandwiches are gonna be bomb. Toasted bread, chicken breast or cutlet, I guess. Then we're gonna add some bacon. This is for my husband, by the way. We're gonna add some bacon, pepper jack cheese. Ooh, add a little bit of barbecue. Too bad I don't have any lettuce because that would be fire. Here we go. Shoestring fries, grilled chicken sandwich with bacon, toaster. Yum. Hello, today is the 24th. It's a Tuesday. We're about to get some dinner started. I have pulled out some filet mignon steaks. They're completely thawed out. I need to get them marinated. We're gonna do steak, beans, and potatoes for dinner tonight. I'm really excited. I'm also really behind right now, so let's get this show on the road. I have my gloves on. I'm gonna go in with my favorite steak seasoning, which is the Montreal steak seasoning. Oh! Also, I like adding in A1, and this is a brand new bottle. I'm just gonna put a little splishy splash of that and some Wash Your Sister sauce. And then I'm just gonna use my hands and kind of mush it all together. Just gonna cover it up, set it to the side, and let it marinate while I get everything else ready. I'm also going to throw some chicken bouillon in there. I'm out of stock. 1 pound ground beef. It's about 80% thawed out. So I'm gonna go in with some minced onion, powdered onion, bit of garlic powder, and some steak seasoning, and the meat masher. Here is what my ground beef is looking like. 2 cans barbecue baked beans, original. Just the original, not the other stuff. Sweet Ray's original, not honey. Pop this lid out. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the steaks in my cast iron. So I'm gonna start by adding a little bit of olive oil and start placing them in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's ready. Oh, let me turn my heat down.
Ooh, that little fizzle.
A little sizzle, sizzle. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. Woo! Is my heat still too high? Here we go. Now we like ours medium rare.
Okay, what am I supposed to do? Ah, you mama, mama, dad.
Just cut into this medium rare. Bam. Hey y'all, what's up? Today's the 25th. It's a Wednesday, and on Wednesdays what? We have frozen pizza or like casserole or crock pot or something like that. And that's normally because we go to church. We skipped out on church tonight because we are painting. Literally been painting all day, have paint all over myself. And my clothes for that matter. Anyways, tonight we're having frozen pizza because I just haven't had time to do anything but paint today. But yeah, let's get to cooking. Normally I would add shredded cheese to the top of this, but we are out and I'm also at the end of the month and I do not want to go buy shredded cheese because that's just going to add in with what I've already spent for the month, and I'm really trying to watch it on that. So we're just going to have to not be crybabies and have the regular pizza without extra cheese. Say that again. You what?
No, I'm not. That's how the pants are.
Here you go.
So I don't get a Sprite because you took most of it for your drink. I got a nose.
Hey y'all, what's up? Today is the 28th of February, which is kind of weird because tomorrow starts March, which I'm so excited for. Warmer weather, spring, summer, ready for it. But let's get dinner started for tonight. My kiddos have requested hibachi. My Blackstone needs to be resurfaced, so I will be cooking in the kitchen. It's not gonna be as good, I don't think. Like, I've done it, I've cooked it in the kitchen before, but it's better on the Blackstone. But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, so I've got my rice that I actually need to go ahead and get in my rice cooker. Right there. I need to go ahead and get this in the rice cooker because it does take a little bit for it to cook. Anyways, we've got the rice. I've got my spaghetti noodles. I like the Roman noodles, but my kids don't like it. My husband doesn't like it, so I don't use that. But I don't have the lo mein, so we're improvising, okay? So before you come at me telling me to please stop making videos, we're doing spaghetti noodles for the lo mein. Anyway, I have a bag of frozen mixed veggies from Sam. I've got a bag of shrimp from Publix. I have some steak left over from the other night. I need to repurpose probably half of this, and then I'm probably gonna slice up the other and do like quesadillas or something one night. Anyways, that needs to be used up. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get to cooking. Wash your rice.
out in Manhattan Beach, so I'll try not to be late picking you guys up.
You're fine if I'm in the video. That's stinking. Sounds so satisfying, right? There are two closed ones right there.
Olive oil. Also, my rice is not quite done yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of get like a little jump start. Butter. I do not understand all of their seasonings and I don't have all of them, but, oh. I'm also gonna make cookies tonight. That's my oven. Sesame oil. Honestly, it doesn't have a good flavor, so I don't know what this is for, but all the videos have it. So I'm gonna add a little to the rice and the noodles. And then I'm gonna go in with the Japanese barbecue sauce, the original. I found this through Raising Cades on TikTok. Love her channel. Fantastic. This is probably the most similar to what you would get at a restaurant. And some soy sauce. Mixed vegetables. These should be pretty close to being completely thawed out. I got these from Sam's. I've never got them before, but they come in clutch. And I'm gonna toss another little clump of butter in there. Salt, pepper, garlic, egg.
What is wrong with your face?
Ooh, that looks good. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, girl. Can I already make my plate? Lillian. Actually,
What's wrong with you? No, I'm adulting. Go get back. Where's trying to leave you? Yeah. Shout out to all the seniors. I know who Ursher is.
Here we go.
what?
Dinner is ready. Yum. And the cookies are done.
Until he was a teenager, joined the NBA